Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Trying Ground. Alright, so in today's video, we are unboxing this Sony Xperia 5 Mark V for the Malaysia market. Yes, so I just got this sealed unit over here, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting to check it out. So what I have here is the black color version with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So let's unseal the plastic of this Sony. Cool. Plastic wrappers are out. Take out the label away. So here it is, still sealed. Still sealed. We have cut it. We are opening it for the first time. Okay. Here it is, the phone. We are taking it out. Okay, so there are some paperwork over here, but I don't think we need to show the paperwork for this video. So there's a wrapper over here. All you need to do is just take it off, and voila, the device is ready, and it's also actually starting. So meanwhile it's actually firing it up. Let's quickly go through the device itself. Okay, so you still have that frosted back glass cover over here. So as you all know, this year Xperia 5 Mark V will be focusing on a 2 rear camera setup. Okay, so you have the 48 megapixel main camera sensor along with the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera over here. So you have all the goodies: the 3.5mm headphone jack, power button, fingerprint scanner, and the volume rocker flush on the right side. On the left side, basically there's nothing much. And on the bottom, you have the USB Type-C charging port over here with the SIM card slot and micro SD card slot, which can be pry open with your finger or fingernails. Alright, yeah, so basically you can see. Right, so you have all these quick easy access. So let me just go and do the setup. Alright folks, so I have just done the setup, everything, and played around the phone for 5-10 minutes just to get familiarized with the settings. So 6.1 inches, I think this is a really good, perfect size for those who doesn't want their smartphone to be too oversized, and having a really balanced view estate. I think this Xperia 5 Mark V is the one for you. Okay, but definitely one thing to note, I do notice that the bezels on this device is thick. Alright, so as you can see from the side here, yeah, you do notice the bezels itself, and from the top and the trim bottom. But I could forgive it because it's actually providing a stereo speaker setup via its front-facing stereo speaker setup over here. Yeah, so they sound incredible. So let me just play a video for you guys. Okay, so this is one of my latest video. So Proton S70. So we're going to have a quick walk around here. And let's first. So as you can watch and hear from this clip, it's really loud, not bad. At full volume, it presented an accurate bass and clarity altogether, providing you a really good entertainment on the go. Okay, so that's the display and the audio. Meanwhile, for the cameras, okay, I'm not gonna provide you any photos or videos for this quick impression, but I just quickly ran through it. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the new cameras. they do actually perform very similar to the Xperia 1 Mark 5. So you're actually getting a really similar cameras over here, just without the telephoto camera. And this time menu layout, I think it has been improved a lot in terms of like maybe even you want to create a lot of movies, videographies, and so on. Now this guy over here has a really good setup. Now why I say that? Because you can see right now from this menu layout, you can choose from shooting 4K to 4K 60 FPS, 120 FPS, and so much more, just all easy access from the photography app itself. So you don't need to go to the Video Pro app and the Cinema Pro app. So because previously the Photography Pro app in the video mode is not accessible for the 60 frames per second videos. So now I think with the additional updates that has been going on for the Sony, I think what they did right now is justice for all the users' ability to switch the frame rates per second and the resolution of their video easy on all its camera apps. So I couldn't tell you the performance and so on, but I do feel the snappiness on this device, especially running with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and pairing it with 8GB of RAM over here. So I think it's a great pairing, but nonetheless I can't tell you about the gaming performance, day-to-day performance, and so much more, but that will have to wait in the full review video. So basically, I think in my quick impression, I think this guy just nails it pretty well. If you're looking for a flagship smartphone that delivers exceptionally great mobile photography and videography, Xperia 5 Mark 5 now is available for the Malaysian market. Alright, so I'm gonna cut short over here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're still new, and stay tuned for the full review of this device. Up next, please go and follow us on the social media account. It's going to help us a lot. Last but not least, head to the website, go and read all the news articles, happenings in Malaysia and internationally. And right now, I gotta bid you guys farewell, and I'll see you guys on the next content. Bye.